Are you thinking about starting a home-based online business but don't know if you have what it takes? When you start a business, it does not only require capital, but also the business skills to secure the success of your business. In this video, you will learn the 4 most important skills that you will need to develop in order to succeed in the business world. But before getting into it, please subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon for regular updates. 1. Technical skills. When it comes to online businesses, there's a lot of powerful software and programs that can automate big portions of your business, thereby increasing efficiency, speed, and scalability while decreasing operating costs. So, you need a sound understanding of hosting and domains, web design and development, search engines and SEO, which is otherwise known as search engine optimization, and online communities. So take the time to develop this skill so you can save a lot of time, effort, and money in the long run. A good system in your business allows you to make money much easier with less headaches. Number 2, marketing skills. When starting a business, you have to develop marketing skills. Marketing allows you to gain new customers, grow your social media followers, write compelling descriptions, plan promotions, and much, much more. Fortunately, there is plenty of information that you can find online to develop this business skill. Marketing skills is one of the most valuable business skill sets for entrepreneurs because many of the top performing businesses are run by entrepreneurs with strong marketing backgrounds. Today, here in 2020, you need to learn email and content marketing as well as advertising through Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube, just to name a few. Number 3, outsourcing skills. Although you have had to learn the actual work of all of the aspects of your business at a certain point, you will realize that you will need to save your time and instead outsource some of the work for your business. Outsourcing does not only give others the opportunity to earn and learn from you, but it also allows your business to grow and earn more money. Hiring others allows you to buy time. So, you would rather spend your time developing business ideas that help grow your business rather than dealing with menial tasks that can easily be taught to others. Number 4, customer service. Now, this skill is very important. As much as you need the loyalty of your employees, you also need the loyalty of your customers. Customer service includes processing refunds, responding to the customer inquiries, and managing feedback. It allows you to build that relationship with your customers. The stronger your customer relations, the easier it is to serve your customers with the products that they love. If customers are always complaining about the quality of a certain product, guess what? It tells you that you need to change your supplier so you can offer a product of a higher quality. This lets your customers know that you are committed to keeping them happy by listening to their needs. As a result, your customers keep coming back to your online store. The business skills that you develop can help you succeed as an entrepreneur. Taking the time to become a master of these skills can allow you to build a successful brand. Also, you will be able to provide adequate training to your employees. So this is all for today. Feel free to share your startup skills, tips, and experience below in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.